Well, welcome back everybody. This is lesson 5, video number 2. And in this video, we're going to learn how to organize our Google Drive into folders that's going to help us for not just this course, but all the courses that we're going to be taking throughout our high school career. So to get there, I'm going to first launch my Google Apps account. And notice right now I've just got not too much email there, but I want to get to Drive. I can click up in here in this right-hand corner. And I'm going to launch Drive, and you can turn these around and move these all over the place, but we're just going to launch Google Drive. And let's take a look at what we're going to do right now. Right now we're going to create folders for each of our respective departments. And then to do that, if we click Create, you see we've got a menu of what we can do. We can create documents, presentations, and spreadsheets. In this video, we're just going to create folders. So click on Folder, and the first folder we're going to create is CTE. That stands for Career and Technology Education. And you're going to notice that that creates a folder inside our drive called CTE. We're now going to do that for each one of our departments. The next one's going to be English. After that, we're going to click on and create one for Health/PE. Then we're going to click on it again, and we're going to create one for Math. Next one will be Science. Now I clicked it too fast. You can see I've got a new folder called New Folder. I'm going to click on that, and I can change it right here. Click right on the folder. I want to click Rename, and I want to call that Science. The next folder we're going to create is one called Social Studies. Next one is going to be VPA, or Visual and Performing Arts. And last but not least, it's going to be World Language. Okay, see I made a bit of a mistake on a couple of these folders. Inside my Science folder, I've got one called Social Studies, VPA, and World Language. So I wasn't paying attention, and you can see it's highlighted here in red. So all I want to do is drag. I could do it individually. I'm going to drag that one back and drop it in my drive. Or I can select both of them and drag it into my drive. And that will expand them over here. Additionally, what we want to do is, because we're setting up our folder structure for our health class, let's click on Health, and you see now it's highlighted in red. And inside that, we're going to create another folder called Grade 9. And you would be doing this for each one of your courses throughout your year. So now we have inside Health and PE, we've got a Grade 9 folder. Additionally, what you can do, you can color code all of this. Again, this is not mandatory. You could just do that if you like. You could change your colors however you want into different color coordinations. And you can kind of get a little crazy on this, but the idea is it just kind of keeps you organized. So for quick reference, and I'm just going to go right down the list here and change my colors. So you can see that they're all changed. Okay, Mr. Hanian, you are just about done, and there you go. Okay, so now you can see this little expansion piece over here where we can expand, and we can see we've got inside our Health/PE folder a Grade 9 folder as well. Now that you've done this, you can go back into your respective classes with each one of your departments and just add the rest of your courses. Now, why would you do this? If you've already started something called Freshman Folder and start putting all your courses, remember, you're going to have this for 4 years. So you're going to have 4 years of English, 4 years of health, 4 years of math, etc., and so forth. Just kind of makes a nice organization for when you're putting all your Google materials into here, your docs, your presentations, your spreadsheet. So that concludes video number 2, and we'll see you in video number 3.